Salon Fairy. Today I will create this tailor shop for my friend Barbie. Barbie needs this place to create her dress. Last model sewing machine. The flowers always make any space more alive. Abracadabra, simsalabim! I hope she liked the pink carpet. A basket full of fabrics. Now let's bring the sample codes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, she will also need some shoes for the dresses. You cannot try a dress without a high heel. I nearly forgot to bring a chair for the sewing machine. And the shop is ready! It's time for me to disappear. I love my tailor shop. Those patterns are particularly good. I might include them in my next collection. Very happy with the new fabric I've got. Let's see what I also have got. Oh yeah, this one. I better start sewing as I have many orders waiting. Cheerio! Let's work with pleasure. I'm really eager to try out the new fabric. Oh, I hope it's not too difficult to work with. I have made a good choice. The fabric is fairly easy to work with.
Hi Jessie, I want a new hairstyle. Do you want different color? Like mine? Ooh, yeah! you want? Okay, I pick purple. Perfect decision.
Now Barbie wants purple. Red plus blue.
Hi Jessie, can you change my color? Yeah! What do you want? I want brown. Brown? What? Brown? But you're blondie. I want something different. Okay Barbie, say bye-bye to your blondie hair.
Brown.
Wow, it's amazing! I like it! Well, thank you, Julie. I can't wait to see Venice.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, first dresses. Of course, shoes. Passports. Money. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. And my credit card. And now, this is my dress. What about you, Barbie? Mine is yellow. This carnival is gonna be awesome. Oof, I can't. Barbie, help me. Okay, push. Let's go to bed.
Woohoo! It's morning.
What? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, we're falling! Barbie, wake up! Hey, Nikki, what you doing? Why you did it?
Because we are late.
Okay, we are ready. Let's go.